Nie ucz ojca dzieci robić, which means don't teach a father how to make, create children. It's a quite popular Polish phrase, a Polish saying, and you can use it when somebody tries to teach you something and it's so obvious and you know that. It's like somebody is instructing you. You should do this that way. Put this here, take this and do that. In this case, you could say nie ucz ojca dzieci robić. A similar phrase could be nie ucz księdza mszy odprawiać. Don't teach a priest how to run the service. Because probably the priest knows that, right? So something you are trying to explain, for me, it's so obvious. You don't have to try so hard. So again, imagine a situation. I have a passenger and he or she is trying to instruct me while I'm driving. Let's add something to the situation. This person doesn't have a driver's license. So, tutaj musisz skręcić w prawo. Przyspiesz trochę. Zwolnij. Ej, tamten miał pierwszeństwo. So I could say, nie ucz ojca dzieci robić. Or you are trying to fix something. Let's say you are an engineer and you know how things work, but the person next to you knows that better. Daj mi to, tutaj trzeba to włożyć, trzeba to przekręcić i później nacisnąć. Really? Nie ucz księdza mszy odprawiać.
Stop for just 1 second. As you see, I'm trying to revive my channel. I'm doing my best. I add videos regularly and I promise I'm not gonna stop. So if you really want to learn Polish and if it's your plan, remember, subscribe to my channel and make sure you left something like this. I really appreciate that.
So you can try these two. Once again, nie ucz ojca dzieci robić and nie ucz księdza mszy odprawiać. Is there anything like this in your language? Do you use it often when people try to instruct you, when people try to help you, but you don't need this help? Tell me in the comment section and see you next time in another Let's Polish episode.